Seems like it's been forever. Yeah, but every time that we get together,
Greetings, YouTube. Allow you back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in this evening's video, I'm super excited to be swinging you guys along with me back over to our 3-foot by 6-foot culture garden planter that we did indeed name the Red Shed after our dear friend Holly up in Cleveland, Ohio. Holly, this one's for you, my dear friend. And although indeed battered by the winds from the recent storm, our 4 o'clocks, our 4 o'clocks are indeed fully in blossom. Take a look at this, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, here we are on our way back over to our dear friend Holly's 3-foot by 6-foot culture garden planter, the Red Shed, where we did indeed plant 4 o'clock seeds that were sent to us by our dear friend Vicky Fox, my dear friend. Thank you once again for giving us the opportunity to grow these 4 o'clocks for the first time in the past 4 years, right here in our front yard garden, extended grow area. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what our 4 o'clocks right here at the Red Shed are currently looking like right here, right now at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? I'm gonna take you guys in for a close-up. Can you guys see the beautiful array of colors that our 4 o'clocks are currently adding to our front yard garden extended grow area for the fall season? Can you see that, YouTube? Aren't they indeed gorgeous? My dear friend Vicky Fox, thank you again, my dear friend. We haven't grown 4 o'clocks here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel in approximately 4 years until you recently sent us these seeds, and we couldn't possibly, YouTube, Vicky, be more excited and pleased by what we see right here, right now at the Red Shed with our 4 o'clocks. As you can see, our 4 o'clocks are indeed behind time because it's currently about 6 o'clock, and some of them are partially open, some of them aren't open at all. And 4 o'clocks typically, YouTube, I promise you, they typically open up right around 4 o'clock every day. My 4 o'clocks this year are indeed a little behind time, but nonetheless, YouTube, looking fantastically well right here, right now at the Red Shed in our front yard garden extended grow area. Yeah, YouTube. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Growing 4 o'clocks, courtesy of Vicky Fox, right here, right now, at the Red Shed, in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video, YouTube, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, our 4 o'clocks. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
seems like it's been forever. Yeah, but every time that we get together, it feels just like the very first time. I must admit, Jazzy J, it's really been a long time since we got together and hit this mic and said what's on our minds. You looking good to me, thick and sexy, so fine. And since day one, you know you've been the apple of my eyes. Every time you cross my mind, it always makes my nature rise. It feels good to me when you let let me slip inside. Every time we grind, it always feels just like the first time. Just like the first time, our very first time. Let me kiss you on your neck, girl, let me help you get undressed. Skip around this lion while you kiss that tattoo on my chest. Tell us that I'm the best and you love the way I make you flex. Get a cat so wet, getting wet, I'm steady poking while I'm stroking every time we're having sex. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. Round two, it's been so long, I don't know how to act. Turn around, it's going down to this lion, hit it from the back. Watch your pleasure multiply with my hands gripping on your thighs. I know it's good to you, I can see it in your eyes. You know I aim to please, I can feel you shaking on your knees. Telling me don't stop because you're close and about to come for me. And you know that I ain't gonna stop until I take you to the top. Make you ski, have you soaking up the shit because you're coming on repeat. I'm about to give you all I got. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time. It always feels like, it always feels like, it always feels just like the first time.